All right, let's look at the homework 6.1, problem number 8. All right, so two cars, A and B, start side by side and accelerate from rest. The figure shows the graphs of their velocity functions, and A is equal to 2. All right, so let's look at part A. Which car is ahead after 2 minutes? So A is 2, so 2 minutes. So you can see that this is the 2-minute point. And you can see that, so this is a velocity function. So the area under the velocity curve is going to be the distance. So you can see that the A is going to have cover a larger area than the curve B in this case. So you can see that the A has a greater distance. So car A is ahead of car B, right? So it says the area under the curve A is greater than that. So this is the explanation, right? So that was A. So let's look at the part B. What is the meaning of the area of the shaded region? All right, so let's go back to the picture. All right, so this shaded region is the distance between the area under A and the area under B. Remember that the area represents the distance, so this is actually a distance between A and B at the 2-minute point, right? So B says that it shows how much faster, so we're not talking about speed, but it is the distance by which A is ahead of B after 2 minutes, right? So that's the answer, right? And here, C, which car is ahead after 4 minutes? Right, so you go here. Right, so we have at this point, so it's a 2 minutes. A is ahead, obviously, but you can see that A is going to cover it's going to be lower than B in this interval here. So 4 is right here. Right, and from the way I think this part right here is going to be still larger. It's pretty darn close, but than this region here. So which means that the A is going to be still ahead of B. So I'm gonna put A, right? The area under the curve A is greater than area under. Okay, so that's the explanation, right? And estimate the time t at which the cars are again side by side. All right, so I think we have to wait a little longer, and I would say, so I have to match this region here to that region. So this is 2, so 4, and let's see, maybe I would go probably somewhere up to here. So if this is 4, and this is going to be 4.5 and maybe 5-ish. I'll try 4.5. Right, so this is just the estimate, so hopefully this is close enough. Right, so after 4.5 minutes, I'm trying to, 4.5 is right here. Right, I'm trying to make sure that the area under both curves have the same area. Right, so I think that would work. So let's double check. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like part A is correct and the reasoning is correct, and part B is correct, part C is correct, and reasoning is correct, and part D is correct. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can put a slightly different number. It would probably accept it as the correct answer. For example, we can probably try, I don't know, maybe if you try 5 and see what happens. All right, and if you go to number 8, and actually it still takes takes 5 as the right answer. So there's quite a bit of a wide range of numbers that will be accepted as correct. All right, but my bet was 4.5 anyway. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.